Freelancing. Students can offer their skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or other areas as freelancers on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Part-time jobs. Working part-time in local businesses or on-campus jobs can provide a steady income. Tutoring. If a student excels in a particular subject, they can offer tutoring services to fellow students or even high school students. Online surveys and reviews. Participating in online surveys or writing reviews for products can be a simple way to earn some extra cash. Content creation. Starting a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast can be a creative way to make money through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Sell handmade items. If a student is good at crafting or creating handmade items, they can sell them on platforms like Etsy. Affiliate marketing. Promoting products and earning a commission for each sale through affiliate marketing can be done through social media or a personal website. Internships. Some internships offer stipends or compensation, providing valuable experience along with financial benefits. Gig economy. Jobs, driving for rideshare services, delivering food, or completing tasks through gig economy platforms can be flexible and lucrative. Investing. Learning about investing and starting with small amounts of money can potentially lead to additional income over time. It's essential for students to balance their work with their studies to ensure success in both areas. Additionally, considering the skills and interests of the student can help in choosing a money-making method that is enjoyable and fulfilling.